lady, and what's your name?
Celine.
Celine, it's a pleasure to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you too.
Yo, I'm in New York on the block. I know you see that it's snowing. Jesus peace, got a Jesus peace. Both of them shits glowing. Stussy jacket, hoodie on, fucking wind blowing. G-Star Jordan 3s fly like Boeing. And now that I got everybody fucking attention, let's address this bitch ass nigga going to Kendrick. Say the out trash. Nigga, you full of gas, poke holes in you, let you fill up a New York cab. Nigga in Belize all into his feelings. Cause he did 10 years for shooting at the ceiling. Then he gave you a meal. Little nigga should've chilled. Cute curly sideburns talking about he real. Check my resume, any nigga wanted I bury him. But fuck this nigga, he can't get into America. I'm about to hit Brooklyn, fuck on this bitch Erica. Bust a nut, call a cab and cut. After I tear it up, and we just met today. Gave it a pole, the day after election day. Bitch was on section 8, trying to get a section 8. I already came, it's a rap like electric tape. And Hurricane Sandy got this bitch lights out. She fell asleep, then a girl got piped out. And these the typos NBA niggas wife out. And these my side bitches, nigga, what your life bout? Mine's bout guns in the stash, the Christ piped out. That's a 300C, and Christ iced out. 3 kids, all 3 closets knifed out. And I'm bipolar, C40 Glock lights out. Word on the streets, bitch, niggas suing me. Sending cops to my door, nigga, how you a G? I ain't beefing with the pennies, this you and me. And I spit the same 16 at your eulogy. Cough up a lung, where I'm from, Compton, son, ain't nothing nice. Cough up a lung, where I'm from, Compton.